here! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be doing a first impression review for you guys. But before that, I want to say thank you to ShopTagR for sponsoring this video. ShopTagR reached out to me asking me if I want to try out their app. So I checked it out and I was like, this is so interesting. It's an app where you can save the items that you love from different websites. For example, Forever 21, Zara. You can go to those websites, select the item that you want, save it to your shop tag, and it will notify you when that specific item is on sale. For me, it's really helpful because I don't have to go visit the website every now and then just to check if the specific item is on sale. When I go shopping, I always go like, I want to buy this, but not for this price. So with the shop tag, you can save that, and then as soon as that goes on sale, you will be notified and you can buy it then if you're satisfied with the price. So on my shop tag account right now, I have some shoes. I have some from Adidas or Adidas, and I also found this really nice jacket from Forever 21, and I just feel like yes, I like it, but I don't really need it. But if it goes on sale, why not coconut chocolate? So I saved it on my shop tag. As soon as there's any changes on the price, I will be notified. So yeah, that's ShopTagR. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. And now I will go ahead and proceed with the first impression review video. Color Me Flawless in a Flash Automatic Foundation Applicator Pro Edition. I got this from Sephora. I forgot what's the price. Let me check. Okay, I have the price now. Oh my gosh. This bad boy. You are a bad boy. You're a bad one. It is so expensive. It is 2,513 pesos. Siguro sa iba hindi siya mahal. Pero para sa akin, bakit ang mahal naman? Yung brush niya is disposable. Kailangan mo bumili ng brush ulit. Hindi ito mumurahin. Nakakaloka ite. Mahal siya. Pero you guys, nagamit ko na siya obviously. And actually, gustong-gusto ko siya. Nakakaloka. Anyway, yung kit, merong kasamang ito, yung applicator itself. Ito din, yung sponge na libre. I don't really wanna touch the sponge kasi disposable yan, te. Aside from the sponge na disposable, na kailangan kang bumili ulit kapag tsakang-tsaka na siya, battery operated din siya. So, kailangan mo din bumili ng battery kapag na-lowbat na. And yung mga ganitong itsura na battery, yung parang piso, feeling ko mamahalin yan. Parang mga ganyang battery ng mga mahaling relo, diba? I don't know. I don't have mamahaling relo. Sana man lang ginawa nilang rechargeable. Pero no, you need to buy your own battery. So, sana hindi siya malowbat agad-agad. Kasi I can see myself using this a lot because again, I really like it. So, you can use this with your powder foundation. In my case, I used a BB cream. Okay na din yun. Parang na rin yung liquid foundation. Tapos, it has 15,000 sonic pulses per minute. Who knows what that means? And then sabi pa dito, Color Me Pro Edition delivers longer wearing, more flawless, and then more flawless coverage than ever before while blurring fine lines and diminishing the look of pores. I do agree on that. Super flawless ng finish niya. So yeah, I will go ahead and show you guys the clip of me applying this applicator for the very first time. And yes. Okay, let's go ahead and start. It looks like this. Nasa box pa talaga siya. I did take out the instruction manual just to read, and I did read everything already. So, ganyan yung itsura niya. Looks really fancy. And then dito sa loob, meron ng brush na kasama. To start using this, you need to take off the battery tab first, like so. That feels really satisfying. Okay, so ilalagay mo yung foundation. In my case, I'm using a BB cream kasi, let's be real here, wala akong foundation. Nag-order ako ng foundation, pero wala pa. I will be using the Eye White BB Holic. I do have a review on this, so if you guys want to know how it lasts on me, I will leave the link of that review video below. I am in the shade beige. Sabi dito, if you're using a liquid foundation, you need to coat the entire sponge. I'm not gonna do that kasi I'm gonna be using a different applicator on this side of my face. Before mo siya i-blend sa skin mo, make sure your skin is moisturized. I already did that. So to start, you need to press this button right here para mag-vibrate yung thing, I think. Am I? Wait, na-press ko siya pero wala eh. Oh, there you go. Kailangan mo siyang i-press talaga. It's vibrating. Can you see my fingers vibrating? Can you hear this? Yes, you can hear that. That feels really weird. So you apply it starting on the cheek area, tapos you apply it upward. Swiping motion lang daw eh. Gentle swiping motion. Hindi ko dinidiin to at all. It feels really weird sa aking mukha kasi nagbabibrate siya. Oh my gosh. I'm loving the finish. Wait, blend muna natin. Narinig ko, gumaganon yung vibrator. Oh my goodness! I love it! It feels really weird, pero bongga yung pag-apply you guys, ha? This BB cream is not like super full coverage. It has like medium coverage. It's applying really nicely on my skin. Like walang streaks at all, as you guys can see. And then I'm gonna start right here. I feel like the product is going a long way. Yung coverage niya, you guys, super flawless. Tingnan. In fairness naman talaga. Gustong-gusto ko yung finish niya. Look at that. I use this BB cream all the time. Kapag lumalabas ako and gusto ko mag-BB cream, itong BB cream na to yung ginagamit ko. And I know na hindi ganito yung coverage niya kapag brush yung ginagamit ko. I actually use this brush to apply the BB cream. So this is the mushroom brush that I got from Pretty Angel shop. Hindi ganito kabongga yung coverage niya when I use this brush. I will also use this to apply my concealer. But before that, I will go ahead and apply the same BB cream on the other side of my face, but I will be using the mushroom brush that I use all the time. Okay, so that's what the BB cream looks like using this. I definitely can tell the difference. I'm also using natural lighting right now, so ito talaga yung totoong kulay niya. I also use the same amount of BB cream on both sides. Coverage-wise, mas bongga yung coverage dito. Mas bongga din yung finish niya, tingnan, as you guys can see. I will now go ahead and apply concealer. I will be using this Maybelline Mineral Healthy Natural Concealer. I am in the shade 02. The same brush, i-on ko lang siya. Medyo tsaka lang yung pag-on kasi kailangan mo talagang idiin talaga there. Nakalimutan ko, kailangan pala dito ilagay. Pero concealer kasi, so diba? Tsaka naman kapag dito ilagay yung concealer. Anyway, I will just go ahead and try. Medyo parang scary siya under the eyes kasi it vibrates. Parang naba-vibrate niya yung eyeball ko. Okay, hindi siya ganun kadali i-blend dito sa area na to, na as in super lapit sa eyeball ko. Kasi it just feels weird na nagva-vibrate siya, tapos parang natatouch yung eyeball ko. Nakakatakot gamitin dun sa part na yun. Pero as you guys can see, dito sa part na to, sobrang bongga yung pagka-blend niya. Walang streaks at all. Pero I'm not gonna continue using it on this part right here because it just feels so weird and scary. So I'm just gonna use my fingers to blend it out. Dito sa side na to, I will be using this paddle brush. I got this one from Gearbest. Ito na yung lagi kong ginagamit to blend my under eye concealer. Talaga yung coverage ng kabila. Tapos, yung finish niya din, mas bongga. Okay, so that's what it looks like right now. Ngayon pa lang, sobrang nagugustuhan ko na siya kasi look at the coverage that it gives on my face. Sobrang iba. I will go ahead and finish up my face. And then, yeah. Okay, I already finished up my face. I just applied my powder. I used my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish. I am in the shade Natural. So, ito lang ginamit ko. I did not bake it whatsoever. In-apply ko lang siya using my powder brush na I always use. And then, naglagay ako ng blush, highlight, obviously, lipstick, eyebrow product. And after all that, mas gusto ko pa rin talaga yung finish dito compared sa dito. That highlight though. It is now 1:53 ng hapon. I'll get back to you guys. I don't know what time will I get back. Dang, it's gonna be a late one. Late na ako nagsimula kasi hindi ko naman alam na meron palang 8-hour claim tong. Anyway, babalik ako sa inyo after 8 hours and see kung mas maglalast talaga yung BB cream dito sa side na to compared sa dito. So, yeah. Sobrang puti naman ang mukha ko. I am back. It is now 10:01 ng gabi. Kaka 8 hours lang. Sa mukha ko, I did not really see that much of a difference sa kanilang dalawa. Parang pareho pa rin sa kanina. This BB cream is also long-lasting para sa akin. Again, na-review ko na to. Longevity-wise, it's the same in my opinion. Yung sobrang nagustuhan ko sa applicator is it really did apply the BB cream way better than my brush did. Tapos, mas flawless yung finish niya. Tapos, sobrang ganda pa din niya tingnan hanggang ngayon. Ito, hindi naman siya tsaka tingnan. If you look really close, masasabi mo na mas maganda talaga yung finish sa dito. Pero like that distance, hindi mo naman talaga manonotice na iba yung ginamit mo dito, iba yung ginamit mo dito. So you can't really see that much of a difference. So I can't really say na, oh my gosh, this is a game changer, you need to buy it. Kasi okay pa rin naman kung brush lang yung gagamitin. Kasi iniisip ko din yung price. Mahal siya. Hindi siya practical talaga. Tapos disposable pa yung sponge. So kailangan mong palitan yung sponge kapag naging tsaka na siya. And then hindi din siya rechargeable. So kailangan mong palitan yung battery. battery kapag nalobat siya. Siguro kung rechargeable siya and kung washable yung sponge niya, bongga, like, you know, you can get a lot of use out of this. Pero because hindi, parang magbabrush na lang ako, mura pa, tapos mawawash ko pa, you know what I mean? It's great. I will continue using it. I love it. I just don't want to say I highly recommend it because I can't. I just can't. Yeah, so that's it for this review. I hope you guys found the video helpful. Please do like if you did. Please subscribe if you're not yet already. And thank you again, ShopTagR, for sponsoring this video. I hope to see you guys on my next one tomorrow. Do not forget, be good. Bye!